Fflint, lledu'r chwarae I Lewis, chodi'n ddifn I fyny'r cwrt Cosby, John Owen, rhywbeth da'r bêl gan y fo, mynd troi Carol ar erci gan John Owen syth at Harry Allen, y golwr, tipyn gwell gan y tîm cartra. Alex Darlington, tair gol y tymor yma, prif sgoriwr y tîm cartra. Ar gig Rydd, chymanu, fflachu bio'r postyn. Harry Allen yn poeni, neu rithrodd mewn draws I gol. Mae'n gig Rydd i'r Fflint. James Owen chodi fyny tuag at ymyl y cwrt 6, cael ei ffenio allan gan Ffôn. Ar y foli wedyn gan Danny Harrison. Mae'n foli a techneg wych gan Harrison. Ffôn. Bened allan gan Stevens. Steph Davis lawr I tuag at Darlington yna wedyn mae Jack Thorne cyffyrddiad cyntaf gwych ar ail. Tipyn gwell. A mae'r capten wedi sgorio ail gol o'r tymor I roi Aberystwyth ar y blaen. 20 munud o'r ail hanner wedi chwarae. Llanel Cole ar gic gornel tuag at y cwrt 6. A mae'r cyfle efallai i'r Fflint. Hughes yr eilydd wrthyn ni nôl I Garrett. Cewr I dal di aros I fyny o'r cefn. Garrett chodi fyny tuag at y postyn pella. Stevens arbeniad yn ôl. Cole ar y foli gan Ben Hughes! A mae'r eilydd wedi dod ar Fflint yn gyfartal. 9 munud o'r 90 yn weddill. Techneg wych I rwydo'i gol gyntaf o'r tymor ac yn uwch gyngrau'r Cymru. Ffôn ar dafliad hir mewn tuag at y cwrt 6. Mae'n cael ei chlirio. Yn uchel gan Jack Hindle mewn gicwrs botyn. Mae'n ei droed yn uchel ar Harry Anderson. Cyfle rwan I Aberystwyth. Fynd yn ôl ar y blaen. Fflint yn erbyn Harry Allen. Dim gobaith i'r golwr. A mae Aberystwyth gyda 5 munud o'r 90 yn weddill. Di mynd yn ôl ar y blaen. Yma'r goedler y parc. Ymateb gwych gan y tîm cartra.
Gema diwethaf yma, da ni wedi gwneud gwaith caled donis de, ond na, nath Fflint gadw I ben I sgorio'r penalty sydd yn mawr I ni.
I said just make the game an ugly game, make it into an arm wrestle. I'll back us all day long, and I think you've seen the determination, the desire. We played ugly football. It wasn't one of the purest, and I'm going to openly admit that. However, it's about results, and like I say, we're on an upward curve, especially at home here. That's 4 in a row, and the boys are absolutely delighted with it.
Wel, ti'n bod, da ni'n gwybod bod yna gymeriad yn y stafell newid na. Nathon ni dechrau'r tymor yn ôl slo, gathon ni run o results ddigon sal, ond dwi'n meddwl bod ni'n dechrau codi momentum wan, ac pam ddim edrych ar y 6 i'ch yna.
Lee, wasn't a classic of a game. Do you think he deserved more out of that game tonight?
Not really. I think we huffed and puffed. I think we had more of the chances in the second half in terms of territory with balls in their box, but ultimately the 2 goals are really sloppy from our part. First from the goalkeeper in the first bit and the penalty in the second. So we threw everything at it, as we always will. Did we miss some of the players who weren't here today? Possibly. I can't question the effort or desire. Just say to the lads there after the game is once we are playing them little pockets of play, what's next? You know, we need to start scoring more goals in open play.
I said last week I want top 6, and we want top 6. They've got belief in there. I think we were disappointed last week not to get them out of the game. I think we did enough second half. Probably we give ourselves a mountain to climb and get a silly goal away. But you know what? We limit our mistakes. We play like we are. We've got quality in there, and we've got goals chipping in from different people. And you know what? We'll do it right.